Now I'm going to show you how to trim the duct tape sheet. What you'll need is a knife, a pen, and a straight edge. If you're using a ruler, that'll be just fine. So the first thing you want to do is to take your duct tape sheet and you want to trim off any excess sticky parts of the tape, like so. You'll probably have some on both sides of your tape, or both sides of your sheet. You then want to measure, or then you want to cut a straight line across across the bottom. You do so by taking your straight edge and moving it a little bit away from the bottom, about that far, taking your pen and marking a straight line, like so. Then take your knife and you cut along that line. You want to be careful not to cut yourself, because cutting yourself is bad. And you want to push kind of hard because you could be going through 2 or 3 layers of tape. And you want to make sure to stay along the line, because the whole point of this is making a straight cut. Like so. You then want to measure out 19 centimeters, which we have marked out here. We're going to use this to mark 19 centimeters from your cut line. So we're going to mark that right here, because this line is 19 centimeters. You're then going to do the same to the other side. So from the edge, about 19 centimeters. You're then going to use your straight edge to draw a line from your 2 marks. Like so. You're then going to cut along that line. Again, you're going to want to push down pretty hard because you could be going through 2 or 3 layers of tape. You then want to cut a straight line, or mark a straight line across the bottom, and you want to try to get your line as perpendicular with this line, so you want it to be a 90-degree cut. So once you've done so, you want to mark your line. And you're going to cut along it. Again, you're going to want to push down because you could be going through 2 or 3 layers of tape. You then want to measure out 21 centimeters and mark them out. So you're going to want to mark from the line you just cut to the mark on one side, and then you want to do the same on the other side. We're going to do the same thing we did earlier, and we are going to connect the two marks with our straight edge. Something doesn't seem right. We're then going to cut it along that line. We now have our duct tape sheet the size we need it to be.